Hey there! Welcome to our upgraded RV haven. We're thrilled to share the incredible journey of the upgrades we've made to this place to truly make it feel like home. So join us as we dive into the nitty-gritty details that have transformed our RV life. Alright, let's start in the heart of our RV, the kitchen. One thing that bothered us was the visibility of the cupboards, even with the tinted glass. So we decided to take matters into our own hands and installed black backing inside.
Sit. The radio being on, you can no longer see it lighting up through your cabinet doors.
Now we've got a cleaner and more concealed look that we absolutely love. Next up, let's talk storage. We wanted to make sure everything had its proper place, including our sewer hoses. That's why we added a second holder to the bottom of the RV.
I didn't know if the lights were in the way and all that shit that's over here.
Oh.
It's like a random screw hole. And, yeah. It will sit nice.
Feel good about it?
Yeah, they just put a nail off the screw. Might have to go down further, like right here.
Now our hoses are neatly stored and always within reach whenever we need them. Security and convenience were high on our priority list. We wanted to ditch the hassle of traditional keys, so we got ourselves some keypad door locks.
Before we get too carried away. Just fine.
Now all it takes is a simple code entry and we're in. No more fumbling around with keys.
It looks so good! You did a great job.
Let's talk about those small but mighty upgrades. In the bathroom, we installed a handy towel hanger because who wants towels cluttering up the place? And on the back of our bedroom door, we added a coat and bag hanger. It's little touches that make everyday life easier and more organized. Those pesky screw holes. We found some discreet black stickers that were perfect for covering them up. It's amazing how such a small detail can make everything look so polished and seamless. Oh, and speaking of transformations, we wanted to create a true bedroom oasis, so we made the decision to take down the TV. By removing this distraction, we've embraced a simpler and more peaceful atmosphere, allowing us to fully unwind and enjoy the serenity of our surroundings. Maintenance is key, folks. We ran some hydraulic fluid through the system for our jacks to ensure they're always operating smoothly. You know, gotta keep everything in tip-top shape for those stable and sturdy adventures. These upgrades have truly transformed our RV. It's incredible how each tweak and improvement has made this place even more tailored to our needs. We can't wait to continue this journey of customization and keep enhancing our RV experience. Make sure to hit that like button, comment with your own upgrade stories, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for joining us on this epic upgrade adventure. We hope it's inspired you to make your RV truly your own. Until next time, happy trails and happy upgrading.